SDV Entertainment.
The two brand new vehicles were brought to the compound of Oba Mahood Olalekan Ishola Balogun at exactly 5:30 p.m. on Thursday and were presented on behalf of Governor Seyi Makinde by the chairman of Olubadan Southeast Local Government, Mr. Emmanuel Alawode, to the younger brother of the Oba, Senator Kola Balogun.
To thank the government and all the officials of government who have been working tirelessly. We appreciate the governor, so I'm not surprised that he has done this for Kabiyesi to make him comfortable and to ensure that his office has all the enablement to carry on the duties of His Imperial Majesty.
While receiving the papers of the new vehicles, the new Olubadan of Ibadan land, Oba Senator Lekan Balogun, expressed gratitude to the state governor, Seyi Makinde. He described the gifts as exceptional.
Wonderful gesture. Totally unexpected. I've had a few governors who have been very nice to me, but this is nicer.
Oba Lekan Balogun, however, urged everyone in the state to continue to support Makinde's administration, pledging that they will always work together as father and son. Olalekan Sulaiman, BCS News.